Keeping your Joomla site lean is a full-time job, but today we're automating the cleanup. This is the Joomla Trash Cleaner n8n workflow, designed to wipe out specific categories and their content instantly. Let's look under the hood. We start by defining our targets, splitting the data, and then looping over each category. This logic ensures no category is left behind during the execution. The workflow is smart. It checks each category for existing articles. If it finds any, it moves to the trashing and deletion phase to ensure a clean sweep of the database. Within the loop, we have dedicated nodes for trashing and then permanently deleting articles. This two-step process mimics the Joomla safety net while keeping it fully hands-off for you. Finally, once the articles are gone, the category itself is removed. It's a complete automated lifecycle for your unwanted content. One crucial setting here is execute once. In an n8n loop, we toggle this to ensure these specific nodes run for every individual item, meaning every category and article gets processed correctly. Let's see it in action. In our Joomla backend, we have two test categories. Category 1 has 3 articles, while Category 2 is empty. Both are headed for the bin. Back in n8n, we simply input the category IDs into our configuration node. Just a quick update to the array, and we are ready to roll. Hit execute workflow and watch the magic happen. The nodes light up as they process the articles and categories in real time. Success. A quick refresh in Joomla confirms the results. Those categories and their articles are officially history. Your site is now 3 steps cleaner without you lifting a finger. If you don't want to build this from scratch, check the link in the description to request this workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Joomla automation tips.